My, oh my, ladies and gentlemen, do we have an excellent story to discuss today. My name is John. Welcome to The Breakdown. Today we have a blog post from Chris Peichman. Sorry, Chris, if I mispronounced that, which I probably did. That breaks down the entire situation. It would seem that StackOverflow users have suddenly woken up to the fact that they aren't customers of StackOverflow. They are the product, and they have been doing their work for free for many years. Let's jump into Chris's post here. In this ever-changing and evolving world of user-generated versus AI-generated content, the recent announcement of StackOverflow partnering with OpenAI recently has been met with some backlash by the community. There are reports today that several users have attempted to delete their content, questions and answers, from StackOverflow with some difficulty, as the website doesn't allow all things to be easily deleted. So these users have decided to edit their questions and/or answers in an effort to deface them in protest of the cooperation between StackOverflow and OpenAI. So here he quotes the partnership. We covered that in a previous video. I'll continue here. While StackOverflow and other Stack Exchange websites are amazingly useful tools for the communities they serve, there are users who are not too excited about their content being used to train AI that will then offer their answers without attribution. Sounds like people have been giving up their time for free to answer questions on StackOverflow, have drawn a line in the sand, and some of them are really pissed. I remember way back when, probably well over a decade ago, Jeff Atwood and Joel Spolsky started StackOverflow. Jeff in particular would talk about the evilness that was Experts Exchange. Here's a blog I found from Jeff from, let's see, when is this? 2008, talking about the start of StackOverflow. StackOverflow is sort of like the anti-Experts Exchange, minus the nausea-inducing sleaze and quasi-legal search engine gaming, meets Wikipedia, meets programming Reddit. It's by programmers for programmers. So clearly, they've drawn a line. There was a lot of dislike for Experts Exchange, mainly because they paywalled user-generated answers to technical questions. They would allow the Google web scraping robot to scrape the question and answer, lure the Google user into their site, and then bam, put on a paywall to see the answer. I'm reminded of a scene from Dark Knight. You either die a hero or you live long enough to see yourself become a villain. To be fair, Jeff and Joel, I think, are long since separated from the company. But it's interesting to see how this has turned over the last, decade and a half. I can understand users are pretty unhappy that their content that they have given for free is now being used as a revenue stream for StackOverflow. And the cherry on top is that it's being used to create technology that could eliminate their own profession. I think this one might continue to grow. We'll see how StackOverflow handles this. Hopefully they do the right thing. So how is StackOverflow handling all this? There have been multiple users posting to Twitter and Hacker News reporting that they've been receiving an email from StackOverflow moderators stating their accounts have been placed on a 7-day hold or temporary ban. This is after these users started attempting to delete multiple posts, both questions and answers they had previously posted to StackOverflow. People need to be reminded that if you aren't paying money for the product, you aren't the customer, you are the product being sold. For StackOverflow, they sell eyeballs to advertisers that are attracted to the answers that StackOverflow got from its users for free. The world is a better place with StackOverflow. We need these types of resources. They're immensely helpful. But on the other hand, they may have gone too far in this situation. And we'll see what they do. I'm guessing the money from OpenAI was very large, and I'm guessing they're not going to walk away from that easily. It'll be interesting to see what happens to the StackOverflow user base. In any case, that is all I have on this for today. Thanks for watching, and please comment, like, subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.